Hello everybody, it's Grace again. This is the purse I was talking about to anybody who's interested. This is the Rebecca Minkoff that I got at Savers for $7. Can you see it? This is the one that I put in the washing machine twice. Is this not beautiful? I mean, the color though, I guess because it was so light in color, I had a better chance of not stripping it, if that makes sense. I put a little bleach. It wasn't directly on it. And then I did that twice. The second time with more enthusiasm. And it doesn't smell like smoke anymore. And it is just lovely. I really, really love this purse. Now, I can guarantee you that this was a $200 or $300 purse, easy. It's really thick. It's really thick, lovely leather. And before I washed it, it was even more plush. It was even more like buttery soft. But with with wear and oils on your fingers and stuff. Now, I do this weird thing. I make sure that my hands are clean before I touch my bags. Just putting it out there, I want clean fingers, but the oils on your skin are really good for your leather bags, the natural oil. And so, and I was explaining this to a friend a week or so ago, that now this isn't going to patina because it's like a grayish, this is a color it's always going to be unless somebody dyes it or something. But I was explaining to him that the really, really, really light leather will patina. Now, it's a special kind of leather, so it gets darker with time with your oils on your skin. And I like dark patina. This will not patina, so this conversation is kind of null and void, but just to let you guys know, I will show you, and look, it zips on the side, unzips. Isn't that cute? This is what I had my blow dryer in, trying to dry it. And then inside, I have stuff in there, but I actually turned the lining inside out and ironed it to make it dry. I probably didn't need to do that, but at least I did it. But so my daughter has this wonderful boyfriend, and they're making plans to get married. I love his family, love them so much. And they are really, really sweet people. So I was at their barbecue. I was explaining to, he works with leather. He's starting like his company. Okay, so this is patina right here. This used to be very, very white. And with oils on your skin, things like that. I love patina. I love when it gets this dark color. And it is raining hard. The rivets become green. And that's normal. I need to get this one replaced. This little sweetie that I got on eBay, and I hope it's authentic. I think it is because, like I said before, Japanese are very, very, very honest. But this bag is 39 years old. I'm 49, so if I only lose a grommet, that's not going to hurt my feelings, because I'm constantly like hurting myself for feeling cruddy. So anyway, that's patina. Now this, I'm glad I have this one out. This is, see, like this Dooney & umber doesn't count. It's a dark brown already. Okay. This Dooney here that I got this years ago when the kids were younger, and I just love it, love it, love it, love it. I think it's so precious. This will patina like that one. Right now, it's a very natural light color. I don't like this color. I prefer that. But there's a lot of people in the world who do not like their, they don't want their bags to patina. It's a personal thing, I guess. I mean, I'm happy either way, really. But I would rather have them be patinaed, or maybe like red or blue, or you know what I mean. I don't care for the light colored. Well, I mean, I love this Rebecca Minkoff. Love it. And I mean, this poor thing has gone through a lot. But like, say you had like a black purse, bleaching it is not going to work out. I didn't put the bleach directly on the bag. I put it in the little tray. This bag, you could probably bleach, but this is a Coach, and it is a really nice thick leather. I would not bleach, wash, or anything. Now, I will use baby wipes and stuff. Oh, Coach also will clean your bags for free. So I don't know if that's changed. This is not a factory. This was a retail that I got at the outlet. Okay. So as of, I'm almost 100% positive they still honor the lifelong cleaning of your bags, which is a big deal because they won't mess them up. And if they do, you get a new bag or you get whatever. So it's a win-win. This little guy though, I was so upset. I didn't realize that he smelled like smoke. And one of the ladies at Savers was very gently trying to tell me, oh, when I have things that smell like smoke, you know, I just don't like it. And this other lady was saying the same thing. Well, I thought they were just having, because we were all talking, and I thought, well, maybe the subject just changed. This is a side conversation, and I'll just smile and be polite and not worry about it. And then when I get in my car, I said, oh, they were talking about the smoke that this poor bag had been exposed to. If it's bad for a leather bag, it is so much worse for a child or an animal. Now, my foster slash adopted mom smoked constantly. My biological dad smoked constantly. So my poor lungs, and you know, a lot of kids growing up are exposed to smoke. Now it's even worse, I think, with the vaping. Now, I don't know. I've never vaped. I'm not gonna vape because listen to my poor lungs right now. I'm miserable. But you know, if you don't like the smell on clothes or leather bag, just think what your poor kids are feeling. You know. And so yeah, I quit smoking when I was 20. I'm not a saint, like I said before. I have my vices. My vices are purses, leather purses. And it has been an annoyance to my husband. He's been very frustrated with me. But we're on the same page now. And I don't just buy purses anymore. Now this, like I said, I paid $7. I do not feel bad. I do not feel even 1% bad about that. Not at all. But I'm no longer going to buy $200, $300, $100 purse just willy-nilly. Or even if, well, when I go to yard sales and thrift stores, I don't feel bad. You know, I don't feel bad because I don't spend a lot, and I have 2 grown daughters, and I have friends, and there's people in my life that I can gift bags to that like bags and that they think that they're really cool or whatever. So, but I take very good care of my belongings. Little Louis Vuitton up there. was dusty. Hopefully you didn't see that, because I haven't worn her because she needs to have the rivet replaced. Can you hear the rain? I hope that my daughter isn't stuck in that rain going to her boyfriend's house. And I pray that nobody else either is either stuck in the rain on foot or in a car or whatever. So anyway, much love to all of you. I really, really appreciate you watching my videos and being nice. And, you know, I'm just very, very honored that anybody wants to watch my videos. And at some point, I'm going to make it better. Oh, and these two paintings up here are paintings that I have done myself. I'm not an artist by any stretch of the imagination, but it just makes me happy to see it. It makes me smile. All right, everybody. Again, thank you for watching this video, for subbing, and for everything that you've done. You're so kind. And the last purse I had was this purse, and you noticed that I flipped it over real quick when my husband walked in. He wasn't like violent with me or anything. I'm not abused, but I don't want anybody to know I'm doing these videos yet, because, you know, they're not so great right now, and I don't want to have any negativity. And, you know, I love watching YouTube videos, and it's fun to make them. So, but anyway, again, this is the Kate, not Kate Spade, Rebecca Minkoff bag, and I have purses over there too. Anyway, my house is a mess because I'm miserable. And but anyway, thank you all. God bless you all. Please be good to each other. Be happy. And I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.